Hello guys, today I will teach you very important dish. This dish help survive me and other people. You can use this dish and cook when you in very hard situation. For example, somewhere outside, outdoors, and you very limited to equipment like to pot, forks, knives, spoon, stuff like that. I will teach you how to cook macaroni po-flotski. This is real seaman dish and it's super easy to cook. Sometimes happen situation like you don't have very small amount of time and this dish help you survive in few just minutes with a very simple easy ingredient. You can make this dish by yourself just in few minutes. Super easy, everyone can do. This is your emergency dish and I teach you how to cook it.
Now we need cut onion and I show you how to do that. We're cutting onion small cubes. If you don't want cry, as I say in my previous video, you should take water to your mouth and keep it. As well, you can put some water on the board and as well make your knife wet. Okay guys, here pan and we put to this pan oil because we need fry onion. Now it's water start boiling. We should put some salt and we can put rigatoni. And don't forget straight away to mix it. We keep frying onion. Now guys, we will open tins. Some new generation children don't know how to open tins like that. I'm not will show finger on this person, but who don't know, you need break this key and put like that and start spinning. For others this easy, who is my generation, but you don't know that. Be careful, water can spill. This is juice from the meat. We open meat, looks like that. Next one. It's look like that. Here it's mincemeat in sauce and jelly. Here it's from this meat go juice because not been in fridge. If you keep it in fridge, juice is not go out or stay like jelly. In this tin we have bigger pieces. Now we will cut these all three meat and put to the onion to fry. Okay guys, macaroni cooking, onion as well, nearly ready. Now we need cut this piece to the cubes and later we will cut this one. How I am cut usually, half and after like that. And cubes. Same way this one. Half. You see, lovely meat from Polish cow or piggy or maybe both. We never know. And cut to the cubes. This guy meat we will cut big pieces like that because we want our dish to make little bit nicer, and I will show you how. I always try to make classic recipe plus little bit upgraded, and actually our onion it's nearly ready. We can put this meat and start frying. Make sure it's fried properly and nice. We don't need fry till became crispy, because we don't want our dish became dry. Okay guys, here I am cooking already. You see, meat is cooked, and this one I decide to make stripes. You see, we try to make this one more nicer and good. Now we take these pieces out and here Here we place macarona, which one already ready. We put macarona and start mix it. Okay guys, now we serve plate and we'll try it. See you.
Okay guys, we are gonna test the Seaman dish, if it's really that amazing. Right, you should all make and try. Have a look. Now, let's get into it. I don't expect it tastes so good for this cheap of a dish. You can make it so easily, and it's so cheap, anyone can make it. I hope you guys try it out at home, and if you're not, you're just missing out. I hope you enjoy and try it yourself.
If you feel real seaman, you should try it.
If you're a real seaman, then you should really try it out.